Did you know there's gold hiding all around you? Especially if you've got lots of old computer parts. Maybe even in some household electronics. The ends of these microchips coated in metal containing gold. These motherboards, yep, those connectors don't just look gold, there's gold in there. Same with these. Every single one of those pins. And these are all parts of plenty of the electronics and computers around you, even in old phones. And these old giant circuit boards, each one of these pins can be clipped and gold can be extracted. You'd be surprised how quickly it adds up. And given the current price of gold, it doesn't need to be too much to be worth quite a bit. A close-up look at this circuit board, and you can see the sorts of parts that are pulled out to be processed to find gold. Even here, inside what look like plastic switches, when you break them open and cut past the springs and the plastic, there are small bearings that already look like tiny gold pieces. The perfect sort of part for this process. What you'll need to do is, of course, separate the metal from the plastic initially, and then, using an aqua regia solution, you can separate the gold from other metals. After separating, you'll end up with a black sludge or dust. You can use induction heating to dry that out. And once you've dried it out, you can add a little borax and heat it up with direct flame for high induction heat. And all the gold will draw together, leaving you with a small nugget, depending on how much material you've got to work with. And as you can see, there are plenty of places to look for that material, though you'll have to dig through all of these spare parts to find some.